New ice blue LED backlighting is made to match with Corsair ONE. Connect using ultra-fast 1 millisecond 2.4 GHz gaming optimized wireless technology, low latency Bluetooth wireless, or USB wired. 100% Cherry MX red mechanical key switches with gold contacts for fast, precise key presses. Keyboard cable type. Tangle-free rubber. Per key, LED backlighting and large font keycaps deliver vibrant lighting effects. 128-bit AES encryption mode helps protect your keystrokes from wireless eavesdropping to keep your personal data safe. Compact and portable keyless design saves on space and makes travel easy. Up to 15 hours of rechargeable battery-powered wireless use, or plug-in via USB wired for uninterrupted gameplay. Experience ultimate gaming freedom with the Corsair K63 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard, featuring ultra-fast 1 millisecond 2.4 GHz wireless technology with Cherry MX mechanical keyswitches packed into a portable, tenkeyless design. Top reviews from the United States. This keyboard is sick. Great keyboard. Visually appealing, easy to use. It is a loud keyboard though in that it clicks loudly, something to keep in mind if that is a concern.